Hi, this is a video to showcase a new extension that is available for release management, which is called TFS artifacts for release management. With this extension, you can consume a build or any artifact from an external TFS account, which could be on-premise or it could be a VS Team Services account. With this, you could also connect to different collection if you are on TFS in the same account. So this works in multiple ways, and when you use this extension, you should be able to consume external TFS build or the XAML build, which is the old style build, or it could also let you deploy code repo artifact. That is, you could directly deploy code which may be on your git.tfvc, which is really helpful in apps which are like PHP apps or Node.js apps where you don't require any build. So anyway, let's get started. I have already installed this extension. So this is installed in my account. I have another TFS account. So note that this is fabfiber.visualstudio.com, and I'll be trying to consume the build from openalm.visualstudio.com, where I already have a build fabricam.ci in fabricam project and the build number 237. So let me go back to my FabFiber account and first create an endpoint connection. So I'll choose external TFS. Connection name would be OpenALM, which is my other account. TFS and collection URL is something that I have ready. Let me enter the username and password. So note that this works currently only with alternate credentials, but soon we are planning to add support for other authentication schemes. So I have just created this new external TFS connection. It appears here, and I can go back to my release definition, create a new release definition. For the sake of simplicity, I'll start with an empty one, and I'll name it as dev. And the one thing that we want to show it here is the linking of artifacts. But before that, I will just name it and link to an artifact. Here I need to select external TFS builds because that is the kind of artifact that I would like to deploy. Note that you also see a couple of others, which is external TFS XAML build and external TFS get, which is the code repo artifact. Soon there will also be external TFS TFVC, which is work in progress. So anyway, I'll continue with external TFS build, and I'll select the right project, which is Fabricam, and then the build definition is fabricam.ci, and link it. Once I link it, I need not do anything else for the sake of simplicity again, and I'll just create a release. The dropdown does show me the 237, which is the build number which was available here in the other OpenALM account. So I'll just choose that. And in case you had connected it to external on-prem TFS where the connectivity is not there from an online account, you need to manually enter the build ID here and it will still work. So let me go ahead and create this release. So release has been created. As you can see, it has the information that which build definition and which build it is trying to deploy, and it says the type is external TFS build, which is something, and I'll have to deploy because I had not put a condition on deployment. So once it is queued, what the next thing that we want to see here is whether it downloads properly or not. The artifact should be downloaded, so let's see. The deploy step has started and it should go and download the artifacts. Okay, so this is done, and that's the end of this demo. Thank you.